remember feeling really defeated, like I was doing something wrong. I was really overwhelmed, scattered, frantic, and stressed out all the time. Even though I was trying really hard to slow down, I started decluttering, I tried to simplify my life best I could, but my life was still really complicated until I had like this light bulb aha moment and it changed everything for me. Because the truth is, our lives aren't overwhelmed because we are doing something wrong. It's because we are carrying too much. So maybe you are in a place, or you've been in a place where life feels really complicated and you've tried slowing down, decluttering, simplifying, and nothing seems to work. I hope that some of the things we talk about today in this video will bring you that aha moment so that you can start to find some peace, tranquility, and truly simplify your life. Simplicity is not about deprivation. It's about clarity. Life usually doesn't feel complicated because of one big thing, but rather it is everything. It's all of these little things combined that is this invisible weight that we carry with us every day, day in and day out. The aha moment is that simplicity starts from the inside. Have you ever gone for a walk in nature? You let go of your to-dos and your worries, and all of a sudden you felt the stress leave you. Your shoulders started to relax and soften. The tension and knots in the back of your neck began to relax. And there was just this feeling of ease all of a sudden. It is this feeling of ease that I choose to walk in nature every day, because there is this sense of release, of everything's gonna be okay, and I can let go. Emotional obligations far outweigh actual scheduling obligations, because the emotional obligations, it seems like we're always really deeply tied to them and they never fully resolve. And I have found that for myself, it is these emotional obligations that really make my life complicated. It's not about the scheduling. It as much as it is about expectations that I have put on myself and that I have taken on that other people are giving me. But really, it ultimately comes down to my decision and what I choose to take on as my emotional responsibility for myself, for the expectations of my household, for my family, for people at work, and that is the biggest weight. A great place to start is just bringing awareness to these emotional things that are weighing you down. Maybe even journal. What are the things that feel heavy to you? Not with judgment or regret or anything, but just noticing and giving it a name. Living with too many open loops. We have too many open loops in our life. We are not closing the circle. And this could look like a decision that you haven't fully committed to one way or the other. It could be something that you are putting off for, I'll deal with that later. But all of these decisions that we have not made, we haven't completed the loop on, that means they stay open and they're always in our brain and they're always floating around. And this is very taxing on us mentally and emotionally, and it brings us a lot of unnecessary stress because they keep popping up over and over. Closure creates calm in your life. And when we close out our decisions, we have less stress and more peace. What is one decision that you could make today that would take away that feeling of stress and overwhelm? For many of us, we try to tackle simplifying life more like a task and another to do. And so we try to tackle all of it in all areas of our life, all at the same time. Just like stacking rocks so that they balance, I must go slowly, carefully stacking one rock at a time. Because building something or changing our lives doesn't happen all at once. It is only achieved by taking one small action step at a time. Simplicity works best when it is slow, steady, consistent focus. Instead of trying to simplify your life in all the categories, you will actually find more peace and a bigger result in simplifying your life if you choose one small area. Consistency matters far more than intensity. Choose just one small thing and stay consistent with that, moving slowly and staying focused. Simplifying without intention does not work. Removing things from your life without aligning these items with what truly matters to you will just compound this feeling of being kind of scattered. A simpler life is value aligned, not minimal. If you were to look at the areas or the things in your life that feel very heavy or complicated to you, and you were to ask yourself, based on all of these things, what do I really actually care about? Aligning what you choose to do and the things you choose to put your energy, time, and money toward with what you really care about, what's truly important to you, will simplify your life dramatically. Because when your why am I doing this? Why do I care about this? Why is this important to me? When you get clear on your why, simplifying your life becomes really clear and very easy. Your life feels complicated, not because you're failing at something. It's because you have been so strong, so responsible, so capable providing for yourself and those that you love for so long that now your system needs rest. You need less management, less to carry, and less to prove. You are doing beautifully. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day, my friend.